What if you could be a fly on the wall 4 days a week as a six-figure agency owner coaches other high-level users live? What if you could see the real-world strategies, the live troubleshooting, and the aha moments as they happen? No theory, no fluff, just real coaching with real business owners working on real problems. That's exactly what I want to invite you to do. My name's Bridget Bartlett, and I want to give you free access to watch my live coaching sessions inside my private community. 4 days a week, you can look over my shoulder as I help entrepreneurs just like you build and scale their businesses on HighLevel. And to make sure you can apply what you learn, I'm also giving you a free account for my Vision Blueprint software. You can use it to create a professional brand guide for your business, the same foundational document that my paying clients use. It'll help you map out your value ladder, define your brand voice, and finally get clear on your business model. This is your chance to get the strategy and watch the implementation for free. Now, click the link below to get your free Vision Blueprint account and your front row seat to live coaching. All you need is your own HighLevel account to put it all in practice.